Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking world of Abi Simbel, where the legacy of Ramses II comes alive. This ancient temple complex, carved into solid rock, showcases monumental statues and stunning hieroglyphs that narrate the epic tales of Egypt's past. Join us as we explore the secrets of this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Great Temple of Abi Simbel, built by Ramses II around 1250 BC, is a monumental site in southern Egypt, featuring colossal statues of the king and smaller statues of his wives and children. The temple's facade is richly decorated with significant carvings and hieroglyphs, including a depiction of Ramses uniting Upper and Lower Egypt. In the 1960s, the construction of the Aswan Dam posed a threat of flooding, leading to a remarkable engineering effort that involved disassembling and relocating both temples to a safer site above the water, a project that took years and cost around $40 million. The Pillar Hall of the Great Temple features 8 statues of Ramses II, each over 9 meters tall, depicted as Osiris, the god of the dead. The statues differ only in their headgear, for wear the crown of Upper Egypt, while for wear the double crown of both Upper and Lower Egypt. The walls are adorned with hieroglyphs detailing significant events and military campaigns from Ramses' reign. The entire north wall showcases an elaborate depiction of the Battle of Kadesh, emphasizing an Egyptian victory despite the battle's actual inconclusiveness. The south wall features scenes from Ramses' military exploits, including him leading his sons into battle, killing enemies, and returning with captured slaves. The 3 southern treasure rooms, like the 5 northern ones, were likely used to store supplies and religious items for temple rituals. They are adorned with religious images and hieroglyphs, many depicting Ramses II making offerings to various Egyptian gods. Notable scenes include Ramses offering wine to a deified version of himself, incense to the ibis-headed god Thoth, and kneeling in adoration before Isis. The sanctuary of the Great Temple of Abi Simbel is the holiest area, accessible only to Ramses and his high priest. At the back of the chamber, statues of Ramses and 3 gods Ta, Amun-Ra, and Ra-Horti are arranged in a row. In front of them stands a stone pedestal for the sacred bark of Amun, a ceremonial boat that served as a small floating temple, paraded or sailed by priests during celebrations. Thank you for exploring the sanctuary of the Great Temple of Abi Simbel with me. The temple's alignment, allowing sunlight to illuminate the statues twice a year, showcases the ancient Egyptians' mastery of astronomy and spirituality. If you enjoyed this journey, please like and subscribe for more. What intrigues you most about Abi Simbel? Let me know in the comments. Until next time.